right, getting right into it. It's real simple. You're gonna grab your oil pan, reach up under here. My bike has been modified by previous owners and by myself, so yours may be different, but this is a 17 millimeter for me. You're gonna break that loose and drain your oil. It's been a while since I've changed mine, and mine is extremely gray from clutch material. Yours may look better than this, it may look worse, but just know the gray is from clutch material. Once that's drained, you're gonna take your bolt, reach back up under there, and of course, you're gonna reinstall your drain plug. Make sure that's snug. I'll tighten it up off camera. Next, you're gonna come up here, you're gonna remove your fuel plug. On the side, you'll notice it says 650 centimeters cubed. That's going to be equivalent to 650 milliliters. So you're gonna take your oil, I'm using Rotella. Put it in your funnel, of course, and then refill it with oil. Once you refilled your oil, put your cap back on, and you're all done. It's that simple. If you're new to owning a two-stroke, keep in mind the oil that we just changed is going to be for your gearbox. Your oil for your engine is going to be in your gas, and I run 32-to-1. That's what the factory recommends, so that's what I run. If you have any other questions, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back with you.